Nobody is talking about this one. Qwen 3.8 is a 2.4 trillion parameter model. Somebody took that model and they squeezed it down into 1.9 billion parameters. And it is running on this laptop right now. You would not believe the size of this file. 2 gigabytes. That is it. What if you could run a thinking model, a model that calls tools on a normal gaming laptop for free with nothing sent to any server? That is what we are doing today. And I'm sure you are eager to try it. So here's the plan. We read the card, we install Ollama, we make the model, and then we run it. And I show you exactly where it is good and exactly where it falls apart. Let's go ahead and start. So what is this thing? It is a distill. Impero took Qwen 3.8, the big one, and they trained a 2 billion model on about 30,000 traces from it. So the small model learns how the big model thinks. It is Apache 2.0, so you can use it at work. And these are their numbers, not mine. On MLOU, the base 2 billion model gets 0.28. This one gets 0.54. On grade school math, it goes from 0.33 to 0.64. So it roughly doubles on the same architecture. Now there are 5 files here and you only need one. Q4KM is 1.3 gigabytes and that is the one they recommend. I went with Q8. 2.08 gigabytes because I have the room, bigger number, better quality, bigger file. Pick what fits your card. So what you need to do is go to llama.com/download here. You pick Windows, you download it and you install it like any normal program. It is 1.5 gigabytes. So I'm speeding this part up. Then we go to the model page and we download the GGUF file itself. I'm saving it into one folder and remember where you put it because we need that path in a second. Now, this is one extra step that you need to do. Ollama cannot read a loose GGUF. So we write a model file, 3 lines from and the file name, a temperature and a system prompt. And actually, let me correct myself here. I had put 0.8. The card says 0.6 with top P0.95 and top K20. So we go ahead and use theirs. Then we say Ollama create and a name. I called mine Qwen 2-bit. It copies the file. It passes the GGUF and that is it. Really simple. And now if you say Ollama show, you can see what you actually got. 1.9 billion parameters. Q8, the architecture is Qwen 3.5 and look at this, 262,000 context on a 2 gigabyte model. It does tools and it thinks. So this is the part you came for. This is a 4060 laptop card, 8 gigabytes. I run Ollama PS while it is loaded and it says 2.9 gigabytes, 100% GPU, nothing on the CPU. And I still have 5 gigabytes of that card free. And it is fast. The first answer is slower because it has to load the model. That one gave me 79 tokens per second. After that, every single run sat at about 94 tokens per second. 94.3, 94.9. It does not wobble. One thing to know, this is a thinking model. So every answer opens with a think block first. You see it work the problem out and then it answers. If you're building an app on this, you strip that block out before you show it to anybody. So let's give it work. 7 pence at 12 rupees, you pay with 100. It works out 84, then 100 minus 84, and it says 16 rupees. Correct? 1.19 seconds. Then a trap. 3 apples, you eat 1, then you buy twice as many as you have left. A lot of small models say 6 from the wrong side. This one says 2 left, 4 in the bag, 6 total, so it got the order right. Then code. I asked for a dark digital clock. 1 HTML file, 735 tokens, just under 8 seconds. And I did not just look at the code, I open it. And you can see it is running real-time ticking. Now this one is funny. In the app, I asked it, can you do tool calls? And it said, no, I do not have tool call capabilities, but that is the model guessing about itself. So I gave it one real function, get weather with a city parameter, and I asked about Guwahati, and it did not write me a paragraph. It returned the function call with a city filled in under 1 second. So it just does not know that it can. Okay, now the bad part, and it is bad. I asked who won the 2019 Cricket World Cup final. It told me England beat Australia. It was New Zealand. It gave me the wrong date. It said Chris Gayle scored 103. He was not even in that match. And then it said the final was decided by a coin toss. And here's the thing that worries me more. I made up a protocol that does not exist. In the think block, it actually says, this is fictional, I should say so. And then it writes me a full page about it anyway, with a table, so it knows, and it still goes ahead. A 2 billion model has no room to store the world. Do not use this one for facts. So where does that leave us? Reasoning is good, math is good, code runs, tool calls work. It is 2 gigabytes, it is Apache 2, it sits fully on an 8 gigabyte card using under 3, and it holds 94 tokens a second all day. And it is text only, no images, no audio, do not go looking for that. So who is this for? It is for you if you want a local model for math, for logic, for structured output, for tool calling inside your own app. It is not for you if you wanted to know things. One last thing. It says 262,000 context, but Ollama loaded it at 65,000 by default, so you have to raise that yourself if you need it. I will test how far that context actually holds up in the next video. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.